Welcome to Ocean Cay, MSC's private island paradise, where turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and vibrant island vibes await you. Today, we're diving into everything this incredible destination has to offer. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this slice of heaven together. Watching the MSC ship pull into this serene port is truly a sight to behold. And trust me, those sunset views as you leave the island are unforgettable. Did you know Ocean Cay was once an industrial site that MSC transformed into a stunning marine reserve? It's now one of the most beautiful stops on their Caribbean cruises. Remember to bring your cruise card with you, as you'll need it to exit and reboard the ship. Don't forget to pack towels if you want them, unless you're in the yacht club, where they're provided. Make sure to bring reef-safe sunscreen to protect the environment and your skin. If you plan to do a lot of walking, tennis shoes or comfortable sandals are a must, though trolleys are available to pick you up and drop you off at designated stops around the island, with convenient wait stations for boarding. If you're enjoying this virtual escape to Ocean Cay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out my other cruise videos after this. Explore the island and discover the beach that suits your vibe. Each beach on Ocean Cay has its own unique personality. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a family-friendly spot, there's something for everyone. The island's beaches include Lighthouse Bay Beach, Bimini Beach, Sunset Beach, South Beach, North Beach, Paradise Sands Beach, and Pineapple Beach. Take your time exploring to find your perfect slice of paradise. Remember to bring your cruise card to Ocean Cay. If you have a drink package, you can use it on the island just like on the ship. If you haven't already, make sure to download the MSC for Me app. It's the easiest way to book excursions, rentals, and plan your day at Ocean Cay. Lighthouse Bay, located near the iconic Ocean Cay Lighthouse, offers stunning views and easy access to the crystal clear water. It's a great spot to relax on the soft sand or take a refreshing swim. For those who enjoy snorkeling, the nearby waters are teeming with marine life, making it an ideal place to explore beneath the surface. The workers' apartments on Ocean Cay are called Ocean Village. This area is where the island staff live, and is designed to provide them with comfortable accommodations while they work on the island. One of the standout features of Ocean Cay is the iconic lighthouse, towering over the island. It's not just a beautiful landmark, it's also a functioning light that guides ships into port. Make sure to capture a photo with this symbol of the island, especially at sunset when it's illuminated with vibrant colors, for a truly magical experience. Don't miss the evening light show. It's a moment you won't forget. Bimini Beach is the ultimate spot to relax and soak up the sun. With soft white sand and crystal clear water, it's perfect for swimming or simply lounging with a good book. If you're craving a little adventure, grab a snorkel and explore the shallow waters just offshore. You never know what marine life you might encounter. Bimini Beach is beautiful, but we recommend bringing water shoes as the sand can be a bit rough in spots, and there are small rocks along the shoreline. Which beach would you spend your day at? Bimini Beach with its laid-back vibes, or Lighthouse Bay with its iconic views? Let me know in the comments. You can rent paddleboards, go snorkeling, or even book a glass-bottom kayak tour to explore the vibrant marine life.
Skies above, we're together, that's enough. Stars come out, they start to dance. Moonlight gives that second chance. In the night we're in a trance, lost in reggae and romance. Electronic vibes collide. In the night we won't divide. Feel the pulsing deep inside. Let the rhythm be our guide. Morning comes, we greet the day. Still we move in our own way. Peace and love, they're here to stay. Reggae beats, they never stray.
Ocean Cay is not just a tropical retreat. It's a shopper's haven. From colorful souvenirs to authentic island crafts, there's something for everyone. Feeling hungry or thirsty? Grab a tropical cocktail at the bar or a quick bite from the food trucks, scattered across the island. Perfect for a midday snack by the beach. Don't forget your cruise card works at the bars on Ocean Cay too. If you have a drink package, it's valid here just like on board. If you're looking for a more tranquil escape, the lagoon is where you want to be. Surrounded by lush greenery, it offers calm, shallow waters that are ideal for families with kids. Whether you're wading in the water or enjoying the view from a beach chair, the lagoon provides a serene oasis on this vibrant island.
Wanting more, island sun, ocean's call. In this paradise we'll lose it all. Barefoot on sand, feel the heat. Waves crash.
The lagoon has shallow water and calmer water, which is good for families with smaller children or anyone who can't swim.
With every breeze, worries fade. Feel the beat of this island vibe.
One of the most fascinating things about Ocean Cay is its wildlife. Keep an eye out for iguanas lounging in the sun and, if you're lucky, a glimpse of a lemon shark cruising the shallow waters. And if you're into snorkeling, the underwater world is absolutely breathtaking. Lemon shark.
Just you and me, lost in the waves, wild and free and night. Day and night. Barefoot on sand, foot on sand.
If you're loving this video, consider subscribing to getduffelmusttravel for more incredible adventures. I also have other videos about MSC cruises, so check those out after this one. Every watch, like, and share means the world to my small channel.
Feel the beat of this island vibe. Feel the beat of this island. Let the rhythm come alive. Island vibes, where we belong. Sway to the beat, sing the song. Palm trees sway, life's so right. In this paradise, day and night. Sunset falling.
Our favorite waterproof bag for our items while we're swimming.
Night, no plans needed, just you and me. Lost in the waves, wild and free and night.
Watch this video for best cruise essentials.
Nights, where we belong. Where we belong. Sway to the beat, sing the song. Palm trees sway, life's so right. In this paradise, day and night. Sun falling, colors so bright, they dance on
Seagull.
the night, no plans needed.
The food trucks on Ocean Cay are a foodie's dream come true. With a variety of options, you'll find everything from fresh island-inspired dishes to quick, satisfying snacks. It's a fun and casual way to grab a bite to eat while exploring the island. Ocean Cay also features a complimentary buffet for MSC guests, offering a variety of dishes to satisfy every craving. From fresh salads to hearty entrees, there's something for everyone. The buffet is a convenient option for those looking to refuel and head right back to the beach for more fun in the sun.
Catch me in the twilight, we'll ride the tide. With every heartbeat, let the good vibes collide. We're lost in the magic, just you and me. In this island dream wild.
Keep an eye out for iguanas lounging on the rocks near the bridge that overlooks the crystal clear waters. These fascinating creatures bask in the sun, blending perfectly with their surroundings, offering a unique photo opportunity and a closer connection to the island's natural wildlife.
We'll find our love with colors of sunset.
Ocean Cay is more than a destination. It's a reminder that restoration and beauty go hand in hand. I hope this video inspires you to visit this stunning island one day.
Together we'll shine, we're all that we are. Catch me in the twilight, we'll ride the tide. With every heartbeat, let the good vibes collide. We're lost in the magic, just you and me. In this island dream, wild and free. Let's dance, dance, dance in the golden glow. With every step, we'll let the good times flow. Soak in the laughter under the stars above. In this island vibe, we'll find our love. So come on. on, take my hand, let's surf the night. With every wave we'll feel so alive. In the rhythm of the ocean, we'll lose control. With the sound of the tropical beats in our soul. Let's dance, dance. With every step we'll let the good times flow. Soak in the laughter under the stars above. In this island vibe we'll find our love. This island vibe, we're lost in the sound. Forever together where love can be found.
Let's take a stroll through the shops at Ocean Cay. From unique souvenirs to beach essentials, there's something for everyone to explore. These shops have everything from unique MSC souvenirs to island-inspired jewelry and clothing. Perfect for bringing a little piece of ocean. Cay back home. Ocean Cay offers a variety of rentals, including cabanas, kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear. To secure yours, book in advance through the MSC For Me app. We were rained out and returned to the ship. While exploring the island, you might notice an area under construction. This is the site of Ocean Cay's upcoming second buffet. Once complete, it will provide even more dining options for guests, making it easier than ever to grab a delicious meal while enjoying this stunning destination. It's exciting to see how MSC is continuing to enhance the Ocean Cay experience. We took some beautiful pictures as we left Ocean Cay. As we gaze at the island, here's a little history about Ocean Cay and its iconic lighthouse. Ocean Cay was once an industrial site used for sand excavation. MSC transformed it into this stunning marine reserve, focusing on sustainability and preserving the natural beauty of the Bahamas. The lighthouse, now a symbol of the island, not only offers breathtaking views, but also hosts nightly light shows that are a must-see. It's a beautiful reminder of the island's journey from restoration to paradise. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Ocean Cay. From its pristine beaches to its rich marine life, this island truly is a traveler's paradise. Until next time, happy travels and see you on our next adventure.